Welcome to Kopi with KP. In this series, I am going to have my favorite cup of Kopi and some very interesting guests from the industry who are going to share some industry insights about digital transformation and at the same time going to share some stories about their personal life. Today, I have an industry veteran who has 21 years of experience in the technology side of banking industry and has been closely watching and playing a role in how this technology is playing a role in banking industry. He is head of enterprise architecture from Bank Danamon, Pak Fajar Hartanto. Welcome, Pak.
Selamat pagi, KP. How are you?
I'm good, Pak. How are you doing?
Yes, fine, thank you.
I hope you have your cup of coffee with you, and let's do a quick cheers for that.
Okay, sure. This is my favorite.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's start, Pak. I think we can straight away start with our questions. My first question to you, Pak, is why digital banking has become so relevant today in the banking industry? Why everybody is rushing for that digital banking initiative? You can share some insights around that.
The digital transformation is not only to convert from the process that manually process going to the automatically system, but it's the huge huge courage, brave how this company is brave to change their people, technology, and the processes. That three kind of the processes, processes that to be automatically not only from the certain area. Maybe as I get a sample from the lending. Yeah, from the lending, it should be integrated to everything, not only to the core banking, but should be integrated to the channel. What the customers see when they want to see what the how many outstanding they have. They can apply online to learn something, proposal, and also for the people is not only for the internal, the staff or employees, but also for the customer. Maybe you already said about the customer experience. That's more important right now in the digital transformation, because everything is seen by customer. That will be make the bank survive, get another more revenue. Because now I see the millennial. I think the millennial is our target is in the next year, next 5 year, and next 10 years. But they have the different flavor what we already have right now. Like me, maybe I refer to the Bank Danamon as my primary account. Yeah, but the millennial is not like that. They just care about the services. When the service is bad, they just easy move to the Underbank. So it's difficult to bank to still have the same technology, same user experience, but doesn't care about the customer experience. Yeah, before maybe UX is a big buzzword. Yeah, now I think that CX customer experience is very important. That make the bank is survive to deliver the services. Yeah. And then the last one is technology. Technology is I mean for the technology is very forklift. Yeah. From the suite application, now everywhere we can see the open source is everywhere. Yeah, just make digital transformation is better and better. Robust, stable, and have the scalability is very good. Yeah, but the fintech is grow faster. Fintech is a boost by the millennial aspiration. They want fast. They want to have the maybe now we have the three three approval system, but millennials don't want to approval. They want to the instant like this, like this. So
Correct.
so the fintech is I think is for the millennial aspiration, millennial needs. That's why bank have to catch up what the fintech already achieve. Yeah.
But many traditional banks today are actually struggling to cope up with that fast pace of change and actually transforming themselves as technology companies, right?
Yeah.
So how do you see banking industry coping up with challenges?
We have to change their habit. We have to change what they work like before. So maybe the one that we need to emphasize is the agile working. Yeah, how we make the instant changes if something from the business side need to go or need run faster. Yeah, I think this is about the IT and the business people that have the long way to have a different move, different behavior, different how they're working. That's I think the biggest one. But another one is about the technology. Yeah, technology is about cost, right? So the wrong pick of the technology, if we can lost cost a lot of the money without having nothing, right? So that's why we need the expertise, the consultant to come to us, to the bank, to share something that so we can faster time to market.
Okay. So basically what you're talking about challenges is in terms of changing people's mindset and also adopting technology in a more cost-effective way, which can change and match the pace of this change in fintech. Correct.
Yes.
So, what role do you foresee open source technologies playing in this overall addressing the challenges of the market, the banking industry?
Open source is, I think, is the lifesaver. Yeah, because I don't see any framework, any application that doesn't use the open source code, open source library. Yeah, especially for the microservices architecture right now. Everything is open source. I don't see a specific commercial platform not using the open source as a base their application. So I think that 5-10 years ago, I think the bank doesn't want to using the open source because it's not safe, not scalable. Yeah. Now that they changed their mind because the community is already proven the open source is not the option, but I think it's mandatory. You have to using the open source to win the battle of the digital transformation.
Perfect. I think that was very great insight when you said that open source is not an option anymore, but it is like a mandatory thing today to drive the digital transformation.
Yes.
Fantastic. I think I would like to ask you something different than your usual work. How you have been keeping yourself busy while also driving the digital transformation in your organization? What are your personal interests and how you are marrying your interest with your hobby?
Okay. My hobby is, I think, is a lot, yeah, but I think I have only 3 or 4. Yeah, one is the riding my MTB, yeah, mountain bike. Yeah.
Oh wow!
And then the other is the my electronic. Yeah, I like from the high school, not high school. I think they're from the from high school. I really love it. Yeah. To make something in the electronic, yeah. Maybe now we know about the IoT, yeah, Internet of
Things.
Yes, that I very love to do it. Soldering.
Wow. So I heard you have done a lot of such experiments at your home with your
Yeah,
favorite koi fish also. So can you share some
sure,
experiments? Yeah, like
sure,
that.
sure. I start to keeping the koi. I think it's more than I think more than 15 years or something. Yeah, but they have need some filtering. Yeah, filtering the
Okay.
mechanical filter and biology filter. That's make the fish is healthy. That
Mm.
they can swim without worry about the bacteria.
Mm.
That's the my combine with the electronic and the
Okay.
pond. So I built electronic to control my pond. That
Okay.
yes,
Fantastic. I think that's very interesting to hear itself. I mean, what you have built and combined your hobby with your interests on passion for the years.
yeah.
And I would say that you are a hands-on enterprise architect. You are actually playing with the technology, applying it at your home, and making so many experiments successful. And at the same time, having that mindset to learn and adopt and change your organization also in term and taking it forward in the digital transformation, digital banking space.
Yeah.
Great to hear you today, Pa. I think thanks a lot for sharing such valuable insights and how digital banking has changed, what role open source technologies are playing. Great to hear you, Pa. Thanks a lot for your time, and let's once again do cheers and enjoy our coffee.
Okay. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, Pa. Thank
Cheers.
you. Thank
You.
you. Have a
You.
good day. Bye.
Bye.